Aloha, beautiful people. I just wanted to do a quick review on the Coach West backpack. I'm sorry if this thing looks a little bit smushed. I did have it in storage. I bought it a while ago. And then here you can see on the tag, this is in the Midnight Navy color. And it was listed for $544.99, but you know I didn't pay that. You know I didn't pay that. Now this bag has a big front pocket. You can go ahead and see it better there from that angle. Then it has a smaller front pocket there. Okay, and then on the inside, it's got nice room in there. Lots of nice room. The zippered pocket on the interior. And then it has more pockets there. It's a pen holder. You can probably fit like a cell phone or something if you have a small one. And then the back pocket, which is for your laptop. It has a divider in there. Okay, on the back, it does have the mesh back there, so it's breathable. The straps are not leather, but they look more like that nylon seatbelt material. Then you have a little tabby thing there with the hang tag. Very nice. Now we're going to see what fits in this. Okay, so I have a big boy laptop. This is the Lenovo Yoga something. I don't remember the model number. But it is big and it is heavy. It's a 17-inch laptop. And it just barely makes it, guys. I mean, it's a close call in there. Here I have my iPad with the iPad sleeve. I do love this leather sleeve. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Putting it back in there. And in she goes. Then next I have this beautiful black leather pouch that I got. It has a zipper with a flap, but I don't like that at all. And then on the inside, I just have all my cords, dongles, everyday essentials. Don't mind that blue cord that's on there, guys. I bought it on clearance. And it was a bargain because it didn't have the strap, so I just used one from another pouch. Then here we have my Coach leather planner. It's actually a notebook cover, but I mean, it's got everything in there. And then the next item that I'm carrying is From a Native Daughter by Haunani K. Trask. Excellent read, guys. Highly recommend. Now my next item I got from Walmart, and it's this little pencil or pen holder. This thing is so cool. Let me show you. So you just open it up, boop, and it sits on your table like that. And when you're done with it, there you go. Just zipper that bad boy up and throw her in your bag. Super cool. I love that thing. So awesome. Now we're gonna zipper this up. I mean, it is pretty full. Let's see. Now we have my keys. We're just gonna throw it in that little compartment on the front. And then we have my ID card holder. Put that in there. I just got to rearrange some stuff. It's kind of snug. There we go. And here we have my sunnies. Because if you suffer from migraines, you know they're essential when driving during the day. There we go. Let's get this bad boy closed. Now we're going to put in some of my smaller essentials that I like to have quick access to. Those are the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. Galaxy Buds Pro 2, I should say. You just gotta wiggle that in there. And then my favorite lip gloss at the moment. This mascara, which I love. It's the Monsieur by Lancome. Awesome. Hand sanitizer. Can't go without it these days. Aquaphor healing ointment because my lips are dry AF. Nail clippers because, well, I do have long nails. And a power bank because you can't go anywhere these days without a power bank. You need it everywhere you go. And we're going to zipper her up. There we are. I mean, you still have a little bit of room in there, but not much. Try and zipper it around and back too. Now this is a pretty heavy feeling, not gonna lie. But you know, it's actually not that bad, not as bad as I was expecting it to be. It's so nice with this refined pebbled leather. It's beautiful. Can't wait for it to wear in so that it has a little bit more give in it. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Aloha.